All right, girl. Let's see what you can do. Let's see what you can do. Yeah, do it. Do it. Go ahead. You're thinking, oh, that's what you can do. Spit up a little bit there. That's okay. We'll clean that up in a minute. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Go ahead. Yeah, woohoo! High five. High five. High five. High five. Yay! Good job. Good job. Yeah. That's a really good job. That's a really good job. That's a really good job. Can you go back onto your stomach? Can you? You almost did it. You almost did it. You almost did it. Yeah. You almost did it. You want to try? You want to try? Are you growling again? I know. It's hard, huh? It's hard. But it's okay. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come over here. Come over here to the toy. Come over here. Come over here to the toy. Come over here to the toy. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Hi, baby. Hi, Lydia. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. You've been working hard this morning. You have. Oh. Silly girl. What is that? What? What is that? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Hi, girl. Hi, little girl. Are you in your panda pajamas with the little panda feet? Are you a panda girl? Are you a panda girl? Panda. Let's practice talking, okay? Ready? Can you say, hi? Hi. You don't want to talk? Hi. Yeah. You're on the blanket your great grandma made you. Gigi. Granny. Meow. Do you want to go on your stomach again? Okay. Let's practice. Ready? Roll over. On your side. Yeah. Almost there. Almost there. Good job, girl. Good job, girl. Yeah. Good job, girl. Good job. What you gonna do now? Are you gonna roll back over? Or are you gonna try to crawl? Are you gonna try to roll to the other side? Are you gonna try to roll to the other side? What do you think? What do you think? What are you gonna do, Olivia? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Looks like you're gonna roll back over to the other side. There you go. There you go! Woohoo! Good job! High five! High five! Yeah! Yeah! Good job! Yay for Olivia! Yay! Oh, is that enough? Okay, I'll come get you now.